Hi! Today I'm incredibly excited to present to you 22021 Reserve Estates Drive in the Reserve at Shadowwood at the Brooks. Step into this gorgeous kitchen and you'll notice beautiful granite countertops, top of the line appliances, and for all my cooking lovers, did I mention this home comes with natural gas? Take a look at this spacious great room here. As you can see, every detail has been thought of, including custom cabinetry, tray ceilings, crown molding, as well as plenty of light from your impact-resistant sliders. Stepping outside, you will see this truly incredible and unique outdoor space to enjoy the Southwest Florida living. There's plenty of covered space for living, dining, and lounging outdoors. Welcome to this incredibly spacious owner's suite. Here you will find windows looking out into your lake view. Two private guest suites here with ensuite bathrooms. As you will see, there's brand new carpets in both of the bedrooms. They have large closets, and one of the bathrooms is a full pool bath as well. Shadowwood at the Brooks enables residents to choose to opt into amenities or not. Choose to join Shadowwood Country Club for their lifestyle or full golf membership, which has 3 championship golf courses. Homeowners can also choose to join the Commons Club Beach Club, located nearby. Shadowwood at the Brooks has 1,481 homes, 34 subdivisions, 85 lakes, and 350 acres of nature preserve, including 13 miles of biking and walking paths.